So the Creatrix process is 100%. There's no question that if you make a commitment and come into it, you're going to walk out 100% like let go of whatever it is you've come in with. It doesn't matter what you've come in with. It can cover anything, but you won't have it when you leave. It's going to be gone. So it's not like fixing you, or it's just a release. So it's completely different. You know, it's not hours of sitting talking to somebody about your agony. It's not. It's Creatrix is just magic. Over the last 10 years, I've given up my career, and people say I should retire, and I'm not ready. And for a long time I said I don't care. And when I said that, my heart slowly closed, and I don't know why, because I have a big heart, but I can't feel it. From a 1 to 10, I'm completely closed at 10. It's like I've really built up a wall. Gradually built this wall, and it's impenetrable. And I'm angry and frustrated because, you know, I've done all this training and I've lived a long life, and I think that's it. And I hate that about myself. It's ridiculous. I've got so much more, but I can't feel it. So my whole life I haven't felt good enough for it. You know, I was the middle child and I was the littlest, and I was, you know, just shunted away and go away, and it's like I can't stand up and be seen. My feelings are not good enough, probably 9.5. So I always felt I was never good enough. That's just something I've held since I was a child. And I really believed it too. I believed it. Now, it doesn't matter anyway. It's not a thought as such. It's just quite, I'm a free woman. The chains are gone. It's lovely. It's hard to explain it beautifully, but that's how I feel. There's no blame or that's the way it is. Get on. It doesn't matter. It's not. It's a situation. It's not there. It's not real. So my future now is like, oh God, just watch this space. You know, be scared. This is what I asked the universe for as I was sitting crying on my couch, and this is exactly what I got. I wanted to meet some women. I wanted to be on purpose. I wanted some passion. I wanted something that I could do for my future. My future is so beautiful compared to death. I think I said death. Oh my God, a bit dramatic. But you know, now, how can you compare that? I mean, seriously. I know, I was a bit scared, but what a gift to me. Seriously. And I gave it to me as well as you. But you know, how extraordinary is that?